GC, we came down to within a hair's breadth of this 123.6 at 1183.6 this morning and started to bounce. So we missed it by less than a point. I think we're in this small 4 of 3 on the basis that we are now in the final 5th down. And that is by no means a certainty. And unfortunately, we're going to have to take out this low at 1167.1 to actually be sure of that. But we should do that in the rest of the 3. And then get a 4-5. I'm not really interested in shorting this at this point. I'm not really interested in doing anything in GC other than let it play out down to this 1149. And this alt 4 is still very much alive, and particularly so when one looks at the GDX. Less so when you look at silver. Silver came about as high as I want to see it for a wave 4. Meanwhile, day trading chart, here's your levels should any of you wish to scalp it. It's just giving you a short entry up here if you wanted it.